Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable Facebook friend request button. So let's dive in. So the first step is open your profile menu button, then you click on settings, and after the settings you scroll down here and click on how people can find you and contact you. Now you're going to see who can send you a friend request. Click on it and click on friends of friends, and then you go back here. Then you come back and click on our follower and public content. Click on it and go on to who can follow me. Click on okay, let's say is follow. Click on who can see your followers on timeline. Click on only you. Others ones click on only you. Who can comment on your public post. You can say click on only you, and nobody will be able to add you as a friend requester on button. So you can see you're not going to see the friend request button on my profile. Let me check it. There's it. Let me check it. You can see there's no friend request on my profile. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.